Everyone, we're just gonna jump right into this video of how to get rope twist or Y twist on some starter locks. And I'm just giving you a good visual of how his hair is looking and the length of it. And they are free form dreadlocks, so they don't have equal parts, but I'm gonna show you how to get the perfect look. So the only product that I'm using is some shine and gel, and I had already did the first row, and I'm just going to show you how that's looking, and we're going to work on the second row. And you just want to grab some of the starter locks and kind of section it off, and you can just kind of part it with your fingers. Then you just want to grab some clamps and get the other hair out the way, because you only want the hair exposed that you're about to work with. So you're just going to grab your shine and gel and put it on the parting the best way you can. Then you just want to grab your comb and just try to section it off the best that you can. I am grabbing about 3 strands or 3 starter locks, and you'll see me in a little bit after I get through parting and smoothing out that gel, twisting. And when you are twisting these 3 or 4 starter locks, you want to twist in the same direction. I am twisting to the left, and you want to twist all the way down. It's okay if it's uneven, that's fine, because I'm going to show you what we're going to do to the end of that once it's all twisted. After you're done, you just want to get a clamp and put that on to hold it in place. Then you want to go to the other side and grab about 3 or 4 strands of the starter locks and start twisting downward towards the left. So you want to go in the same direction, twisting towards the left all the way down to the end. Once that's completed, you want to get the 2 strands, and you just want to cross it over in the opposite direction, going to your right, like I'm doing right here. Okay, once you're done twisting, you just want to secure the end with some rubber bands. That's why I was telling you it didn't matter if it was uneven. So we fixed that problem. So yeah, this is how it should be looking, and then you just want to continue the process. So this is how it should be looking when you're halfway completed. So you just want to continue the process like I am doing right here. Okay, so this is how it should be looking. Some nice, crisp looking, shining rope twist. So if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have a blessed, great day.